Welcome Primary 6. Let's start our revision today. Today we want to revise Unit 1 and 2 by solving some exercises on the 2 units. Okay, let's start with the first question. Choose the correct answer. If A to B equal 1 to 3, B to C equal 3 to 2, then A to C equal. Here we have the second term. Here is the same as the first term here, so I'll cancel 3 with 3. So A to C equal 1, 2, 2. This is the first one. The next one, if the numbers 2, 3, and 10 and another number x are proportion, then x equal. We will use that product of extremes equal products of means. So I'll multiply 3 times 10 over 2. The result will be 15. Number 3, the ratio between 18 hours to 1 day and a half. We have 1 day and a half. So 24 plus 12 will be 36. So I want to calculate the ratio between 18 to 36. So I'll divide by 18 to simplify, equal 1 to 2. Number 3, the ratio between 18 hours to 1 day and a half is 1 to 2. Number 4, a factory produces 4,000 cans of juice during 8 hours. Then the rate of production is 4,000 divided by 8. Because we want to calculate the rate, means cans per hour. So I'll divide 4,000 over 8 equal 500. Number 5, x over 18 equal 10%. Then x equal 10% means 10 over 100. So I multiply 18 times 10 over 100. The result will be 9 over 5. Number 6, 100% means 100 over 100. 100 over 100 equal 1. Number 7, the ratio between the perimeter of a square and its side length. Perimeter of a square means 4 times side length over side length. It means 4 over 1. So 4 to 1. Number 8, 45% of what equal 90? I want to calculate x. 45% of what equal 90? I want here to calculate x. So I'll multiply 90 times 100 over 45 because I want to calculate the total, not the part. So 90 times 100 over 45, the result will be 200. Number 9, f 2 over 3 equal 8 over x. Cross product, 3 times 8 over 2. 3 times 8 equal 24 over 2 equal 12. Number 10, f x to y. This is similar to the last one. Okay, we solved a similar one before. You can do it yourself. It's very easy. F x to y equal 1 to 2, y to z equal 2 to 3. Then x to z equal 1 to 3. Number 11, 1 over 4 to 1 over 3. Using cross product, 3 to 4. 3 times 1 equal 3 and 4 times 1 equal 4. So 3 to 4. 3 to 4 as a decimal fraction. You can use your calculator and divide 3 divided by 4. Or you can multiply the two terms of the ratio by 25. Because 4 times 25 equal 100. 3 times 25 equal 75. So 0.75. Number 13, the fourth proportion of 3, 5, and 6. So we have 3, 5, 6, and x. To calculate x, I'll use the rule that the product of means equal product of extremes. So 5 times 6 equals 3 times x. So to get x, 5 times 6 over 3. It means 10. Number 14, the ratio between 750 grams to 1 kilogram. Okay, we have only 1 kilogram. It means 1,000 grams. We should use the same units. So 750 to 1,000, it means 3 to 4. Number 15, 35% of 2,000. Just multiply 35 over 100 times 2,000. The result will be 700. Complete in a picture of a house, and if the height of the fence is 6 centimeters and the real height is 2.4 meters, then the drawing scale is, we have here 6 centimeters, that is the drawing length. We have here the real length, 2.4 meters, it means 240. I'll multiply by 100 because I said before we should use the same units. So here we have drawing length over real length, it means 6 over 240. So it will become, with simplifying, it will become 1 over 40 or 1 to 40. Number 2, if 50% of x equals 240, 50% of what equal 240? So I want the total. So I multiply 240 times 100 over 50. The result will be 480. Number 3, 3 over 5 equal how many percent? I want, it means how many percent means over 100. So we can use our calculator and divide 3 over 5. Then multiply by 100, or you can multiply up and down by 20. 5 multiplied by 20 equal 100, and 3 multiplied by 20 equal 60. So 60%. Number 4, Ali bought 5 kilograms of orange for 15 pounds. So then the price of 8 kilograms of the same orange is, we can use proportion, or we can calculate the price of 1 kilogram then multiply by 8. Okay, let's use proportion. It means 5 over 15 equal 8 over x. X equal 15 times 8 over 5. So the result will be 24 pounds. By the same way, we can calculate the price of 1 kilogram by dividing 15 divided by 5 equal 3, then multiply 3 by 8, the same. Number 5, 1 minus 35%. We all know that 1 means 100%. So we have 100 minus 35, the result will be 65%. Number 6, we have a ratio among the 3 numbers. We have 3 fractions here, 1 over 5, 1 over 3, and 1 over 2. In this case, we will multiply by the lowest common multiple, which is 30. So I'll multiply each term by 30. 30 over 5 equals 6, 30 over 3 equals 10, and 30 over 2 equals 15. So this ratio equals 6 to 10 to 15. Okay, let's complete. Okay, the last exercise here we have Khalid bought a flat for 15,000 pounds. He sold it at 5% loss. Calculate the selling price. Okay, as we said before, we want to put a base of 100. So if the buying price was 100, the loss 5, so the selling price will be 100 minus 5, which is 95. But the buying price not 100, it's 15,000. So I'll use cross product to get the selling price. I'll multiply 15,000 times 95, then over 100. Okay, so the selling price 15,000 times 95 over 100 equal 14,250 pounds. Okay, thank you very much for watching. That's all about our revision today. Join us next session with general revision unit 3 and 4. Thank you very much for watching.